Is VitaFlow Blood Balance Support the game-changing supplement it claims to be, or is it just another product dressed up in bold promises and slick marketing? With eye-catching claims about regulating blood sugar, lowering blood pressure, increasing good cholesterol, improving metabolism, reducing cravings, aiding in weight loss, and even more, it sounds almost like a miracle in a bottle. But let's take a closer look beyond the surface. First of all, there's no verified proof of FDA approval or GMP certification, which immediately raises some red flags about the manufacturing quality and safety standards. For a health product that's supposedly targeting critical functions like blood sugar and cardiovascular health, this kind of missing information is concerning. Then there's the website. It has that generic template feel that many low-quality supplement brands use, filled with dramatic sales language and urgency tactics like limited stock or act now, which can come off as manipulative rather than trustworthy. Even more suspicious are the reviews floating around online. Many of them feel overly scripted or too positive to be real, lacking detail or any hint of critical feedback, something you'd expect in any honest customer base. There's also the problem of overpromising. While it's common for supplement brands to highlight benefits, VitaFlow seems to be selling the idea of total body transformation without any clear peer-reviewed research to back it up. In fact, most of the claimed benefits aren't supported by specific clinical trials or studies related to their formula, which is always something you should look for when evaluating a supplement. That said, we're not here to say VitaFlow is a total scam. It may have some basic ingredients that offer minor benefits to general wellness. But with so many red flags, exaggerated claims, lack of certification, transparency, and an over-reliance on flashy marketing, it's hard to recommend it with confidence. If you're thinking about trying it, proceed with caution and definitely consult a healthcare professional first. In a world full of supplement noise, it's important to separate hype from honest help, and right now, VitaFlow feels more like hype.